I know. I know everything.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Eating or anything?
You want to go to Landmark?
That works for me. That sounds good. Yeah.
Not ours. Stops working.
Well, it looks like you're going to have no money. And you're going to be basically stuck. So I'm going to be walking the Giant Eagle. Well, at least I'll get some weight off. So maybe this is trying to figure out a plus on this. Yeah. Well, basically it's going to suck. And did you see the Rams? Stafford played like he was on the Lions again. I'm going to do a podcast. I'm going to address the Lions, and I'm going to tell them they're 0-16 again. I'll piss people off. Okay, great, thanks. Yeah. No.
Great.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Got them in my pocket here. Nobody in line. Just went
I was
right
going to
out.
say, you better get them today. Because I called and they said they were ready.
Oh, yeah, I put it in my pocket. I don't forget. Also, I'm going after the truckers and the farmers.
Whatever.
Well,
If we don't have the farmers, Carl, we don't eat.
well, what they need to do is just, either cut their prices or just say, fine, quit for a while.
And they're not. Carl, the farmers don't sit there and say anything. What they sell it to is who they sell it to.
Yeah, well, they need to lower their prices.
They're not controlling the prices, Carl. It goes from the farmers to...
Here's a big block of concrete for you.
So is he going to still try and have the car inspected anyway?
I'm going to go ahead and see if,
See what's wrong with it. Get a list of the problems, because that way it won't pass. So you're not gonna, nothing's coming out of your pocket. You'll just have a list of
list of things.
and basically, which is not going to get done because the car's not worth it.
You can lock it.
Oh.
That's the thing.
Make sure windows are up.
Yep.
Yeah, we're just trying to figure it out. So I put a call into Keith today. I'll talk to him a little bit.
Not only that, what I'm hating about M&T is with woke. That's the problem. Now that you can't go into the thing, you have to make an appointment, and you have to fast.
To get into the bank. And you have to come in and put
And it's like F you, M&T. I'm going to do things really slowly, but eventually it's going to get transferred over. Yeah, when I'm ready, I'll let you know. But Dan said he says they're actually, as an employee, they're treating Maggie good, you know, as far as he says he's leaving. He says they treat the customers like shit. That's what Dan told me. He says it doesn't surprise me they did this. He says you need to go. Yeah.
She goes in one night. They take care of her, come to the drive-thru, and even the new girls took her.
Yeah. So what Dan says eventually in a couple years, once they get all their money transferred to hometown, then she's actually waiting for a position to open at hometown, and it's already in the works, but it's going to be a couple years. And when it opens up, then bam, she's going to go in. It's probably be more like a supervisor kind of a person at hometown. Yeah, she's looking, and she was, well, the thing is, she was hoping to be a supervisor, so as soon as she got there, the first thing she did is made her a regular teller. See, I get unlimited with M&T, unlimited transfers.
No, I'm doing 3. Like 7. We don't do too many of those, you can transfer, like even online.
Well, it's under 10. It's like maybe, if I do a lot of transfers, it would be like 5. That's a lot.
She called us the one time when we were juggling things around.
Yeah.
You guys don't have to have X amount and cover it back. We just want to make sure you're doing all right. We're doing okay. We're just doing it.
But I was that night. Sunday night, they called me 7. Yeah.